Okay, so I finished the build, and this time it was the Monster Mutt pullback Monster Jam, and I decided not to put the stickers on. I know it was supposed to be a Dalmatian, but after building, I was like, you know what? I just don't like stickers, so I didn't do it. And now it kind of looks like Snoopy. So maybe it's just angry Snoopy as my pullback. Let me see if I can pull it back here. Yep, there it goes. So pullback monster truck. This is Technic 42150, and I paid $4 for it at a thrift store. My son has already asked for it, and guess I'm gonna keep those stickers for something else or nothing else. I don't know which, but super cool Technic build. I really did enjoy it, just like the last one, the Bugatti. So, yeah, another monster truck. Thanks for watching.